in practice, thinking of memory is three complementary layers. First, you have the CLAUDE.md files that you write and maintain. Keep these under 200 lines or 50K, 50 kilobytes. Focus on things Claude can't infer from the code itself, like build commands or naming conventions, architectural decisions. Use the rules directory with passcode YAML front matter to for module specific guidance or monorecos and things like that. Second, you have auto memory running. You can audit that at any time with a /memory command and promote anything stable like the Claude.md if you prefer. On the bottom here, if you can read that, that's sort of what the directory structure for auto memory looks like. So a little bit like skill.md, you'll see it has a project specific folder, and then under memory, that's where it stores the main index of memories, and then below more specific files that get indexed about subjects in that repository as it needs. And then third, the new dreaming feature, which I believe right now is only in the managed agents platform, runs between sessions and handles cleanup. And here, I would say that this is most impactful for large scale context jobs like legal work. For instance, a company HopeHarvey.ai reported that they got something like 6 times better performance on finishing projects with Dreamy turned on because of the particularities of legal work, where you have huge bodies of documents, contradictions, many things that can be confusing when the model's trying to manage context.